I don't know where to go with this. And we're in a hole.
Have you not been playing blue shit like a true man?
What? Hey, look at me, look at me.
There's that thing.
Wow! We just went in a big switch.
Never mind, it's more invisible. This is what's better.
Oh god! He's dead.
Come on, let's go.
Hey. Go.
Go!
About
Yeah,
that
dead.
beer,
I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Oh, how am I alive? I'm alive. Kill.
No!
Oh
A
no.
Portagon spawned on me.
Type kill. Just press.
How are you
kill.
alive?
About
How are some of you alive down
killing
there?
Naomi.
God. Alright off.
I'm going on a rampage killing.
Yeah. Ow.
No!
About that team fire.
About that mess I owed. Hey, I should have stayed here.
Down.
Wait, what?
No.
I'm alive? Fellas, I'm alive down here. I'm alive.
Hello.
What? What the fuck? How you
Yeah.
alive?
I'm
I don't know
actually-
how people are alive down there.
No!
Okay.
That's how you doing, babe. Oh,
Ow.
hello there.
Pouring things
Hey, everybody.
The kill switch can't catch
Yeah,
up with the
whoa.
players.
This is the cool kids club.
How are people making
Kill me now.
so high jump?
Cannonball.
We
We're up there in the map, we're outside the map.
Looks like yo.
I want to go some chaos. Let me do some chaos. Thank you. And I died. Okay. What the hell? How did I? What? I don't even know where anyone is anymore. Oh.
Cool comment. Okay.
And I'm
Fucking up.
never mind. I'm not stuck. Get out of the way.
Out of the way.
Get out of the way, please. I'm stuck. Okay, no, no.
I'm starting to
going.
agree with the turn on friendly fire guy.
And I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Move.
Oh, what? Yeah, people are just doing their walkers.
Move it.
I'm stuck.
Bring it on.
Move.
How's it going?
Can someone
Dying,
run the chat
please.
table, guy?
Barney, be quiet, Barney. No one likes you, Barney.
Now, I wonder if those boys could have made a bigger mess.
Yes.
Imagine drowning an alien gunk.
You have any idea what's going on?
Thank you.
Set.
I smell an ambush. We better be careful.
There's no fog.
Looks like you're in the barrel today.
If we all band together, we could
You know
break
what? I'm
this
gonna pick up
world.
like California.
Load up, fellas, load up, load up, yeah, load up. Man down, load up. Load the rich.
Come on, guys, I can see the crack.
All that target range time is gonna pay off today. To get my hands on the guy responsible for this mess.
Somebody press the button. Yeah, there we go.
Yes.
Dead bomb.
And fire!
Yes.
Press the thing and press another thing. Seems to be an acceptable range. Closer, committer alive. How do we do? A long second.
Bastard! Bastard! Hey! Ah! Fuck you! Fuck you! You thinking what I'm thinking?
No.
Let's go.
Let's shoot it in the head.
Calhoun, you must hurry. We can't keep the portal open much longer.
Stop! No! No!
Skibidi, skibidi, on the wheel.
Now, shoot it in the head.
It's too late. The field is collapsing. Calhoun!
Done. Lap.
You can hear me, Calhoun. You must hurry. The teleporter charge is running out. Calhoun, you must hurry. We can't keep the portal open much longer.
What am I?
It's too late. The field is collapsing. Calhoun!
No.
Field collapse.
Hurry! The teleporter charge is running out. Calhoun, you must hurry. We can't keep the portal open much longer.
Let's jump into the portal.
No, we didn't win the map, that's the thing. We need to get into the portal.
Or we win the map before the close. Or the portal.
It's too
We're not
late.
just
The
gonna
field
return
is
the map.
collapsing. Calhoun!
Here.
How hard are we gonna be sitting here?
Hell is you need to get into the portal. Into the portal.
We just have to jump into it.
If you don't get into the portal, we lose.
Take cover!
Fix what exactly? Let's see Half-Life, everyone. We haven't even started on the slurs.
Open much longer.
No, well, we're repeating the map because we're failing it. Because people are
Yeah,
AFK
the
and all.
fucking portal, man. Please.
So, what do you want them to do? We need 10 people to jump in and go through the portal.
Yes.
It's too late. The field is collapsing. Calhoun!
There we go, answer.
Let's go.
Good job, Mr. Calhoun.
We're gonna have to replay that.
But murderer.
Device operational.
Done. L. Sure. Above. It's next.
Take cover!
No hablo español.
I jumped down.
A na to odcinka, daj si da, aha. That any better? Make the wheel of the thing. Gotta count the wheel.
Ah! 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 Ah!